How to register for TD Bank Canada online banking or easy web banking. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can basically register for TD Bank Canada online banking, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to register for TD Bank Canada's online banking, it is actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is just go to td.com and then you will see this type of interface where what you need to do is make sure the proper Canadian website is selected, because since we're trying to register for Canada, right? Once you're here, you will see this type of interface where what you need to do is just click the personal tab that you can find from the top of the screen. So on the Canadian website, it is actually kind of hidden. Go to this personal tab, it says your personal online banking, and here you can see online banking over here. So you can see easy web online banking. If you have an account, you can log in, but if you want to register, click this little register button that you can find here. And once you click on this register option, you're going to be taken to this page where you can simply log in, or if you've not been given, you can click the register option here. Once you click on the register option, there are many things that you need. You need to be a Canadian resident, you need to be over 18 years of age, you need to have your legal documents with you. So all you have to do is just select no, I would like to set up easy web online banking, and then click the continue option. Once you click on this option, on the next specific page you can see customer identification numbers, so you can make sure to select your access card, credit card, mortgage, personal auto loan, or whatever else you prefer. Make sure to also enter them, enter the first name, the last name, and all these required details. Click the continue option. On the next step, it will require you to simply connect and set up all of your account, and once you've set up your account details and uploaded the documents, your online banking or easy web will be successfully registered. This way you'll be able to register for easy web Canada online banking. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.